How can you make 100K your first year in real estate? Okay, here's the smart aleck answer, and then I'll get real. Buy an apartment community for $100 million and sell it a month later for $2 million, right? But a lot of us don't have $1 million laying around or the credit to be able to do that. You want to know, hey, how can I, working in the industry, make 100K? I'm going to tell you this. If you're looking to make 100K as a real estate agent, that's going to be really tough your first year. There's going to be pretty much no base salary. You're going to be probably helping out another agent for the good part of that first year, and you're going to have to invest a ton of time. I don't know when you're starting your clock of the first year, but you also have to include all the time it takes you to get licensed, study, take those courses, spend those thousands of dollars, take all those exams, fail the exam, go back, take the exam again, fail it again, go back, take it again, right? So if you want to make 100K your first year, it's going to be pretty tough. But I would take a look at multifamily. As a property manager, as a leasing agent, as a leasing consultant, I'm not saying it's a guarantee that you're going to make 100K, but you're going to make a lot more. Typically 2 to 3 times your first year what you would make as a real estate agent. And you don't need to spend all that money on licensing. You don't need to shadow somebody. They're not going to force you to give half of your bonuses or half of your salary to some senior person that's your mentor, right? There are so many jobs in multifamily. And when I say multifamily, hopefully that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, I'm talking about apartment communities. Think about these luxury apartment communities that are being built. They want great people like you. They just want to know that you can sell, you know what to say, what questions to ask, how to close the lease, how to get people to renew their leases. If you want to learn how to do that, we can teach you that at Leasing University. But again, like I said, multifamily is going to be your best option to make 6 figures the first year. And for sure, multifamily is going to get you 2 to 3 times on average what you would make right off the rip than it would if you were a real estate agent.
The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter, so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.